Good morning, Reading Specialist students. I'm very excited that all of you are beginning to learn about blogging and will be creating your first Sul Ross blog account this week and working on posting each week for the remainder of your course and also utilizing this blog in other courses as well. So now that you have looked at other reading specialist blogs and literacy leadership blogs, and you have thought about your own brand as a reading specialist, you're now going to create your own blog. You have a choice. Here at Sul Ross, every student has a Sul Ross WordPress blog account. And so I'm going to walk you through today how to log into your Sul Ross blog account. But if you already have a private blog account that you are familiar with, such as Blogger, or maybe you have your own WordPress account and you want to revamp or create a new blog just for your professional purposes, you may do that if you like. But if you would like support in regard to your blog, we have a Sul Ross WordPress blog account for you. To access your Sul Ross WordPress blog account, you are going to go to blogs.sulross.edu, and I will post this in the class today. Once you visit this page, if you scroll down, you'll notice there is a login section on the right-hand corner. So you're going to select Login. And from here, you can log into your WordPress account using your Blackboard login. I'm already logged into Blackboard, so when I clicked login, it automatically put me in. But it may come up with a login screen, and if that's the case, you use your Blackboard login. Once you're there, you'll notice there is a menu option up at the top left-hand corner that says My Sites. These are your Sul Ross blog sites. You will have one that has your Blackboard login. So for instance, I see one here that says JRM17RT. You can click on that, and this is my personal Blackboard username account. From here, you can customize your site. You can add an about page. There's all kinds of themes that you can select from. And there's just so much that you can do here in the blog. But where I would start first is if you click on About WordPress, there is a support forum. And here, there are a lot of great videos that have helped me learn about WordPress. Also, there were videos inside the site here. I thought it might be here under Help. The Help option. Help is up here on the top right-hand corner. So the first thing you're going to want to do is select your login, look around, and check out the Help feature, and try to access. This will really help you navigate to create your site. So the way you're going to start is you're going to customize your site, or you can change your theme. You can create an about page, and then when you're ready, you're going to create your first blog post, which you do have an assignment this week for you to create your first blog post. Each post gives you a unique URL. And what I'm going to ask you to do is I'm going to ask you to publish in your blog, but you're going to share the URL link in the discussion board. and you will be asked to peer review at least 2 peers' blog posts about certain topics that relate to our course. If you are in another reading specialist course, of course you're going to use the same blog. You'll just create another post on a different topic. I know this is all new. I am hoping that you are able to improve your digital literacy skill sets through this process. If you have any questions or concerns or need help, you're more than welcome, of course, to email me or call me. I am in the office every Tuesday and Thursday, so I would be happy to help you, and I look forward to looking at your blog. Have a great day.